powdered. Achoo! Chocolate ice cream. Oh, I love chocolate. Come on, we have to stop that bug before another genie gets dusted. I think we're too late. Look, it's Zach and Kaz.
Huh, nice green powder. Oh no, this better not be sneezy bug powder. Achoo! Zach, what have I done? What? You turned me into a Zoomicorn? That's so great! Oh, thanks, Kaz. You're welcome?
Oh, no!
Oh,
Miss Simeon, here's that cup of big sweat you asked for. Now, I've been meaning to talk to you about how very I used to think that you were just regular Buckley, but now you're full-on mega gross. Makes me want to kiss you. Mwah. You taste like garbage quiche.
Huh?
I didn't catch that. I'll distract my rats into breath. So long, sucker! Chimpanzee you later. Oh, let's do those guys.
He was an ordinary guy who was never good at anything until he found out he could jump.
something around here somewhere.
I am not going to lose you. He had all the talent.
Who goes there?
Just push the world away.
We're here to help our friend.
Friend? Oh, yes! Let's be friends! I'd give anything for a friend. We can have a play date right now! I have lots of toys to play with. Let's play rock! Cat!
Oh, that was close.
Again!
That was super fun, but we're not actually here to play with you.
But you're going to need your wonderful due to personal circumstances, to permit sufficient resources to resolve this communication.
Good one. Thanks. You see, Mr. Ogre, our best friend is trapped in a locket, and we need your help to get her out. We really can't stay.
Like you said you were running from the butt police.
No one ever wants to play with
We need to
me.
find out what he wants before he chokes on his tape.
Too late. Okay, I'm gonna use the online translator. So, what language do you speak?
Come on, at least make an effort to speak to him in a way he can understand. What language do you speak?
Guess
Please
who?
try and articulate this.
It is I, Barrican Bruce. How do you like my disguise?
It's great. Excuse me, in just a moment. I have
Eleanor
to
search says,
figure something
do you
out.
need medical help?
Certainly.
I'm tempted to say yes.
Gumball, you're not being very
Plum,
Let's catch
guess
him.
who?
Don't worry, I got this.
I'm really glad you made it, Huck.
Thanks. This does look like fun.
It is. Want something to eat?
Sure. When I saw how great the park looked, it made me think, what a cool place to set a mystery story. Like maybe a jewel heist at the Masquerade Ball mystery.